up, everybody? This is Linda and welcome back to Radical Punch. Today's topic is Spotlight on Healthcare. In Germany, there's this catalog called the Red List, and it encompasses over 8,000 prescriptions of medications that you can get on the German market from over 471 pharmaceutical companies. At the end of October 2011, a pharmaceutical company took a drug off a market, it was a blood thinner, because it caused more problems than previously known. Now, what we have to know is that once there's a problem with a drug, the pharmaceutical company is obliged to notify the market, meaning the hospitals, the doctors, etc. And these notifications come in forms of Dear Doctor letters, or in German you call them rote Handbriefe. And the complete list of Dear Doctor letters can be viewed online, so they're available. So we were asking ourselves, how many products have been affected since the year 2000, and which pharmaceutical company had to send the Dear Doctor letters the most? The blue bubbles show the pharmaceutical companies that produce the drugs, which are represented by the small yellow bubbles. All these drugs were included in Dear Doctor letters in Germany since 2000. If you want to find out more about the data, you can go to radicalpunch.com and check out the visualization that we've prepared for you. You can go through the elastic list and see more detailed information on the pharmaceutical companies and their Dear Doctor letters. Last time we showed you how to visualize data on a map, and today we're going to show you how to use shapefiles and how to put that on a map and how to merge two data sets into one. So we were going through many healthcare statistics on the German online portal called destatus.de, and we found an interesting table that showed all the abortion rates of the different federal states in Germany, which was perfect for the shapefiles we want to use for this tutorial. Before we are able to map any data using shapefiles, we have to download the shapefiles and upload them onto our Fusion Tables account. Once that is uploaded, we can start looking for the data we are interested in and import that into Fusion Tables as well. When we're done refining our data, we can merge the table with the shapefile by defining which column to use for matching data across the two tables. Once the two tables are merged, we can start visualizing the map and configuring the styles of the shapes by defining fill color, border color, and the like. We also define the specific columns that we like to visualize. At first, we just want to visualize the abortion rates of the single women. Secondly, we visualize the abortion rates of the married women, then divorced, and widowed at last. If you want to learn how to visualize geodata using shapefiles yourself, you can go to radicalpunch.com and check out the complete tutorial in the tutorial section. So we just looked at the first quarter of 2011, and one thing that would be interesting is to see in how far abortions have increased or decreased over the past decade within each of the federal states. So this is it for today's show. If you have any questions, let us know via Twitter, or you can go to radicalpunch.com.